So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will show you how to draw a simple graph in Gnumeric. Gnumeric is always better than Excel because of it's faster. So let's start. We will select X value in first column and Y. Okay, I will take 0. Then I will take some values for up to wait it's okay, up to 12. Now I will choose x square means a2 square, enter. Okay, re-edit, enter. Now I will drag it up to 12. Now we have both x and y. Now I have to select this, and now here is insert a chart option. So insert, and you can see your graph or parabola. You can see different, and after that you have to simply wait, insert here and drag in anywhere in screen, and you can see your graph. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.